So once again, good evening, everyone. And today is the second demo. Yesterday was first demo and today is the second demo. In case you haven't attended, I will be sharing first demo, second demo, both the videos. Kindly go through it and then continue. In today's demo, I'm going to cover first demo recap for 10 minutes and remaining 15 minutes, I will take practical. Till 7:10 p.m., the session will continue. Because we are starting around 6:10, so exact 1 hour, 7:10. Maybe plus or minus 5 minutes. And this current batch is for evening 6 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m. daily. And I am having currently 6 batches, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. And the current batch is for 6 p.m. Daily 1 hour is a session, any batch. And my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours minimum practice. Because with experience and knowledge, I'm explaining in 1 hour. As you guys are new to this, definitely 2 to 3 hours minimum practice is required. And people feel like if it's trying to take 2 hours, I can do it. For me, 2 hours equal to for you 6 to 8 hours. So first 1-2 days you may do it, but later you cannot do it. Right. Non-IT people, do not feel panic. It's a technical component. Technical words I must use. IT people, yesterday I explained technical things, a few technical things, but theory. And today practically we'll see. And you want to see more depth of my practicals, go to YouTube. In the YouTube level, a couple of playlists available, my playlist, walk through it. And don't write anything. This is a sincere request. You cannot follow the class. Since Power BI is a graphical component, everything I explain graphically. I'll give you more information graphically. And not only giving it, and I'll be sharing the material and relevant video for that. My core subject, a very detailed subject, which is suitable to work happily in the company. Subject is very detailed. In case you are preparing for interview oriented also sufficient. Or you want to clear the exam, PL 300 is a Microsoft Power BI exam. Yes, you can do it. 70 to 80% coverage is there. And this is objective. I will tell you all. And first demo, this was yesterday happened. And yesterday, first 20 minutes, what we cover, what we provided, explained you. And then data to Microsoft Fabric, theoretical part, hierarchy. This was completed yesterday. And today, I will go for the recap for 10 minutes and then practical demo for 50 minutes. And daily class timing, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. from tomorrow. Now let me start. And this was a video I shared last class, video and material. I given access to those who joined yesterday. So in this area, all videos, files available. And this is the PDF file to see the course content. Let me click on it. This is the first demo. video and document. Similarly, you will get second demo video document in the same folder. Kindly walk through it. This access I provided in the last class. And for old, new, everyone, I'll provide access tonight so you can go through it. But what all you need to do is provide your email address in the chat room. Right. I will go to yesterday's demo part. 10 minutes recap. So I'm Vinay, and this is my mobile number and a working lead consultant. And the duration is 50 to 60 hours, very detailed training. And 1 hour I will take Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And monthly 2 Saturdays you have sessions. 2 Saturdays per month. And what we provide? We will provide daily live class video. And the access will be given up to 1.5 years to near real-time projects and multiple case studies. And theoretical and practical, both the materials I provided. Prerequisite, none. Minimal SQL knowledge is sufficient. If you want to try on Power BI. Any graduate can learn Power BI. And it is fully graphical user interface component with low code. You need not write much code, and it is fully GUI component. And the current training from basics to very advanced level. And if you want to know about fast track, call me on my number. I will let you know how to finish my classes in the fast track. And we provide in the next 2 months environment related subject, this one, like warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. These are all project components, working level components, and 2 near real-time projects, multiple case studies, and SQL for 3-4 hours. But this is not sufficient. This is just to work with Power BI. But in the real-time level, entry-oriented, not sufficient. Learn complete course. But there are 9 topics which are very important. Go through it.
Sorry for the interruption. Do we have a separate SQL classes as well?
Yes, so we do have separate SQL classes for 40 days, 30 to 40 days.
Okay, sir.
And the trainer is good at subject. And tabular cube classes for 2 hours to give you cube understanding. And compulsory for job resume preparation, FAQs, mock FAQs record will provide you. Mock interviews also we are conducting. And these are all project related components. Coming to Power BI subject side, cloud components. There are 2 components for cloud and 3 components for on-premises. These are covered. And additional knowledge, Power Apps for 2 hours, Power Automate for 2 hours. So this is a detailed subject for 60 hours I'm covering. And next 2 months. And institute provide theory, practical material. And training is fully practical under training. You will be having interaction with me in the class, even in the WhatsApp level. I showed you last class WhatsApp. And FAQs also will discuss. Live class videos we will share. Resume preparation classes conducted. But my course is good enough. And if you want to try, less than 5 years. So Power BI plus SQL. This comes under Power BI, this comes under SQL. This combination you can try. Or you can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource. And Power BI plus MSBI, Power BI plus Tableau, Power BI plus Azure, Power BI plus Synapse. These combinations also available. But my course is good enough to try in these combinations 100%, no doubt in that. And these additional opportunities you can try. And in the current market, 80% opportunities, only this combination. So if you wish to try less than 4 or 5 years, learn Power BI strongly and SQL language, basic level, sufficient. If you have medium knowledge, advantage. And my course is enough to say as a support resource, admin resource. What are these? I'll tell you later. And most of the training institutes only development role they cover, that too up to some level. But I will cover development role, support role, admin role. And more than 5 years, you are applying for the jobs. And because your experience is 15 years, 16 years, then these are all available. But without having 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge, it is not possible. You must have 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge, then only you can try. So these are the different opportunities with your experience. So these are all little more detailed explained yesterday. I'm maintaining a little rush because yesterday's people will fall bored. Later, I explained about this complete hierarchy and data to Microsoft Fabric hierarchy. So what is data? How many types of data available? What is IT application? How many types available? What is BA application and BA evolution process? Where exactly Power BI sits in this picture? What is Power Platform? What is Fabric? So this complete part I explained yesterday. This complete part. So kindly go through the video of yesterday to continue this. But I will start from here. Why was Power BI created when MSB already exists? From here, I will start. And I will also explain very brief BI. What is BI? BI stands for Business Intelligence. Intelligence to the business. I'm going for the fresh part, guys. Focus. Business intelligence, intelligence to the business. Or decision-making data of the business. Or analysis of the business. For any business, if you see analytical data, that is business intelligence data. Or decision-making data. Then how do we see? Where do we see? So in a report level or dashboard level, you see the information. What is report? The area, this is a report. The area where we show detailed information, very detailed. So very detailed information that too regarding an operation possible. What about dashboard? High level data. And that too specific subject area data. Simply, this is report 1, report 2, report 3. Multiple reports data in a single area. That is a dashboard area. I given a clear example. Savings account withdraw. Savings account deposit. Assume 2 reports, report 1, report 2. But if you keep in the savings account deposit, withdraw, loan processing all in a single area, that is called a dashboard. Savings account dashboard. So with any BA tool, you generate reported dashboard. But from where? Data. Input is data. Any data, any type, anywhere. Yesterday I explained what do you mean by this. Simply data. Data is the input to BI and output is report or dashboard. Now take Power BI, MSBI, Tableau, ClickView, Cognos, any BI tool, business intelligence tool you take, their input is data, output is report or dashboard. Got clarity? Right. Now, then what is the evolution? I told you last class, this is your business data, and you want management understandable data here, analytical data or business intelligence data. The first area, compulsory we need to follow, extraction, transformation, loading. Second area, huge storage, because daily you're getting business data and loading into huge storage, that is warehouse. Third area, a specific data storage area with aggregate analytical information. Last one, data presentation, the area where we present information through reports and dashboards. So these four areas combination is called BA process. These four areas come under BA process. And this is data gathering, your business data gathering, business data huge storage, and business data required data taking, and required data analysis, and required data presentation. So multiple tools required. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4, if you want to implement this process. So 1992 till 2005, all companies used multiple tools, multiple resources to implement a BA process. And after 2005, it got reduced because Microsoft given MSBA suite. Suite can also be called stack. Some people say pack, PACK pack. And this is having three major tools. This is the first tool, integration services. This is the second tool, analysis services. This is the third tool, reporting services. Three tools. Tool 1, tool 2, tool 3. Three tools given. 1, 2, 3. So with MSBA, you can implement the BA process very easily. With three tools. And I told you one more important point. So legacy BA, 90s, multiple tools, setups, resources to convert normal data into a report data. I'm telling you about normal data to report data. This much complexity we need to bear. But after release of MSBA, not required. One suite, multiple tools. And released in 2005. And we have multiple versions. 8 is one version. 8R2 is one version. 12 is one version. 14 is one version. Like this, multiple versions. Every 2 to 3 years, one version available. From 2008, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA. From which year? 2008. Even I showed you this link. And there are multiple links I showed. So don't think, do we have future for MSBA or Power BI? Both are good in the market, but Power BI is better in the market. And it is a leader in the market. Business intelligence leader is Power BI. If leader does not have market, what about others? I showed very clearly how come it became leader. I'm not repeating the same today. So because of MSBA, Microsoft leader, till 2016, it continued MSBA as a leader. 17 onwards, Power BI as the leader. Leader in analytics and BI. If you're expecting a wonderful career, definitely you'll get bright future on this. But it may take 1 or 2 days, nothing more than that. Now, when MSB available, why Power BI? As I told you, MSBA purely designed before 2004 market. So the architecture, the engine, the design before 2004 only. But after 2004, drastic change in the IT. Cloud added. Mobile and tabs are available. Many types of data storage is available. Many types. Even people feeling complex to work on multiple tools to generate a report. And the visuals which are available in the MSBA very less. And coding also required. At least average coding required to generate reports. On top of all, to satisfy the current market, Microsoft is not releasing updates very frequently in MSBA. Every 2 to 3 years, one update. Every 2 to 3 years, a new release, new version. So people question, you are a leader, but current market you're not following. Microsoft realized and they decided to give powerful component, powerful BA component than the existing BA. That is Power BI. So under same BA, two BA components available in the Microsoft. And this is with the different features, mostly on-premises, limited sources, no tab and mobile friendly, etc. But you want cloud because everyone using cloud nowadays. You guys also taking your mobile backup, your laptop backup in the cloud, OneDrive cloud, Google Drive cloud, Samsung cloud, Apple cloud. So everyone using cloud. So cloud operations required. Mobile and tab friendly operations required. Any type of data source support is required. And people want to see Power BI report wherever they require, like their Facebook account level, Insta level, Twitter level, and everywhere. And people does not like coding. So they need low code. And that too, they want to see stunning visuals, cute visuals, cute visuals. And they need immediate market update. So if some organization given a new product, immediately the integration required in the reporting tool possible. So these are all added in the Power BI. So in Power BI level, we have monthly updates. What type of updates? Monthly updates. So Power BI, adding power to the existing BI. It's a low code application. Cloud supported, on-premises supported. That means in Microsoft cloud level, you can keep, or within your company level, you can keep company service level. Self-service BI application. This is important. End-to-end it can do. What it can do? 90s multiple tools from multiple companies. MSBI, one suite, multiple tools. Power BI, one application, multiple concepts to perform end-to-end. So if you want to define strongly, Power BI is a low-code application, cloud and on-premises supportive application. It's a self-service application, which will generate report and dashboards from the data. And announced in 2013 July. And every month we have an update. Every month we have an update. This is about Power BI, gain over MSBI, and what is Power BI. And this I'm not explaining. We don't have time because yesterday I explained in detail. Kindly walk through. Now, what is the next one? Okay, Power BI level, this is okay. Then what are the components available in Power BI? So these are the components available in Power BI. I said self-service BI, everything is possible. So if you go to a hotel, if they write self-service, that means you need to take the token, you need to go to the counter, you need to take the tiffin or lunch or whatever it may be, and you need to place over. That is self-service. So in Power BI level, everything you can do in such a way. And Power BI available in the market for cloud as well as on-premises. Cloud level, two components available. One is a report development component, Power BI Cloud Desktop. Second one, report storage and managing component. You want to share to customers, you want to reply them, this component, that is called Power BI Service. So 95% companies or 98% companies using cloud and these two components. One for the development, one for report storing and managing. And while developing the report in this component level, we implement these concepts. These are called concepts. Power query, power pivot, power view, power map. So what are these? I will explain today, don't worry. All of you got clarity? So when you decided to work with cloud, how many components required? Two. Cloud desktop, cloud storage and managing component service. Similarly, if you want to go with on-premises, I'm not interested for cloud operations. I want to keep Power BI report in my company. I want to share from my company servers to customers. Then go to on-premise. On-premise level also two components available. One is on-premise report development component and on-premise server for storing and managing. So 2% companies using this process. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, other components. Power BI report builder, a wonderful component. Next, Power BI developer. Next, Power BI embedding. Like this, multiple components available, but we don't have that much time to discuss all these components today. But strictly speaking, Power BI components are these many. Don't read YouTube and many other manuals or materials. You will confuse. And they said Power BI components as this, like Power Query, Power Pivot, but these are not Power BI components. Don't read junk stuff. So according to Microsoft, these are the components. Next, what I want to show. Next couple of minutes, I want to show this report development component. How do we download? How do we install and generate a report from data? So this concept I'm going to show next 25 to 35 minutes. Is that fine? And
Yes,
from
sir.
this, you need to understand and you need to identify whether Power BI operations is easy or tough. Second one, do we need to write code much? Etc. All you can identify. And my sincere recommendation today, whatever the process I'm following, you also follow the same process, complete the exercise, then continue from tomorrow. See the functionality, flexibility, enjoy it first, taste it first, and then continue from tomorrow. Then, what is desktop, Power BI desktop? So once again, I request you kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get today's demo video and documents, even yesterday video and document. And who all want to discuss with me, this is my contact number. Kindly call me on this in the given timings. Last night, 5 to 6 people call me, and today morning, 3 to 4 people call me. So this is my number, and this for your career guidance, suggestions, everything, call me on this. Because the demo time, I cannot address your career guidance and other related questions. Kindly excuse for that. Power BI desktop download, install, and usage. So what exactly desktop does? Report development end to end. What is the input of desktop? Data, any type, anywhere, any type. Output is a desktop document. Some people say a document, so document, VBX document, and you can consider like a report. So this is the input and output of Power BI desktop. Then what is generic desktop? Daily we are using Windows desktop machines. What is desktop? Graphical operations area. Windows desktop, Windows graphical operations area. Tableau desktop, Tableau graphical operations area. Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area. So what is desktop? What it contains? Clearly explain. So the name implying no coding or low coding, mostly graphical operations area. Then what about hardware software requirements? Minimal requirements. Windows 8 or above, but 10 or above is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM, 4 GB or above is good. Minimum 1.5 GHz processor, 2 or above is good. So your current laptops, desktops are sufficient, more than enough, because minimum we are maintaining this. Then how do we download? Google it, very routine. And there are two options, advanced download, Microsoft Store download. And go to advanced download, download it, because it will not ask any account. In Power BI level, multiple accounts available, Pro account, Premium account, Capacity account, Fabric account. But no account is required. Happily, you can download and operate. But recommended is download from the Microsoft Store or Power BI Service Store. And in this situation, account required. And demo level, this practice we will see. And regular class level, from tomorrow, we will see this practice, account-based practice. Account I will give you tomorrow. Sir, is there any difference?
Sir, Vinay
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you, sir. Like I'm using MacBook Air, so can I install the software in MacBook?
No, you cannot install. You need to take VM, within the VM, Windows, and then Power BI.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Next, install. How do you install after downloading? Click setup.exe and follow the wizard instructions. Almost next finish only. And don't ask anyone how to install Power BI Desktop. So whatever the process I said, just follow whenever you want to install. Not only now, after 2 years, 3 years. And always follow installation time requirements. Microsoft clearly mentioning what are the requirements needed, what are the steps to be followed. Kindly follow that and don't ask anyone. This is a strict recommendation regarding Power BI Desktop component. Don't ask anyone. Google it, download it, use it. Shall I show you practically? I'm going to this. Power BI Desktop downloading. Come down, download Power BI Desktop from official. Power BI Desktop. And this is download. And always read the definition, whatever Microsoft is giving. Time to time, they are changing it. Time to time, they are changing the definition functionality. Look into that. When the capability increased, automatically the functionality to be changed. So they are changing it. Right. Here you will find which version, what is the file name. What exactly desktop does. And finally, system requirements. Installation instructions. So read everything, click download. It will give you two softwares. And this is for 32-bit machines. System type 32-bit. And this is 64-bit system type. 30 to be 10, 64. Sir, how do you identify which one to be downloaded? Go to your search bar, sysinfo, one way, or else this PC properties, go to this PC and properties, there also you'll find it. But I go to system information. Here you find system type very clearly. What's the type you are able to find? x64 based PC. So download this, it will be downloaded 458 MB size. Once you download, it looks like this. This is Power BI desktop and size. Now what to do? Just click on it. Next, finish, or simply follow the wizard instructions. What is wizard? It will open a dialog box and ask you to follow something, and that is called wizard process. But mostly next, finish only. No great properties we need to set. No great properties we need to set. Once it is done, you will find on the desktop a component called Power BI desktop like this. Everyone look at this. I have two desktops. Report server on-premises desktop, cloud desktop. This is cloud. I just install. And this is on-premise. Over. Right. Now I need to use it. But what it does, I told you, this component will take data, generate a report like this. And it uses a process like this. Or it will implement a process like that. And for our ease of operations, I'm taking a very simple file. But in the class, we discuss very advanced level, databases, cubes, everything we work on. But demo level, very basic file, because you also need to practice along with me. So this is my family expenses data. Every day, some amount I purchase, amount I spent for every reason in a particular area and location. Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, different locations I traveled and different money spendings, day-wise. But I need analysis, like year selection, month selection. 19 year and August I selected. Then I want what is the total money spending in that, average money spending in that, and maximum money, number of students joined in the period. And this is for top people and bottom people. And this is for percentages. And Hyderabad, how much percentage money is spent? Vizag, how much money is spent? And what are the locations that traveled in this period and category? You can see the locations here. This is a geographical presentation report. So you can type your hostel data, your family data, or any data and generate a report. But this data directly we cannot use here. The BA process we need to implement. Complete process. So first data we need to take. This data we need to take to Power BI. That is extraction. Without data, how come you analyze it? And if the data is not proper column by column, it should always be in column by column format. then do the transformation. This is called shaping. Take the data and shape it. Once shaping completed, model. If multiple tables available, connect them. Relationships establish. Once relationships completed, if security methods required, add the security methods. And finally, visuals, add it. And the data, whatever you produce here, this is called BA data. So it's a fixed process. First time, if you look at this, you may feel panic. What is this? But from tomorrow, daily we use the same, you feel very bored. And if you're already an IT BA resource, then also you feel bored. Routine process. First, extraction, transformation, modeling, security, visual. So some of extraction compulsory, remaining depends. Extraction, visualization compulsory, remaining situational. Pardon? చెప్తాను, అది కూడా చెప్తాను. ఇక్కడ మోడలింగ్ లెవెల్ రాస్తాం కోడింగ్, సెక్యూరిటీ లెవెల్ రాస్తాం కోడింగ్ ఈ ప్లేస్లో. So our input is data and output is report like this. And we implement this process, fixed process, and compulsory steps, extraction, visualization, remaining situational. If you want to shape properly, transforms. You want to establish relationships, modeling. You want to go with security, data protection. Shall we do? So we have application, data. Now we will create this. Where is the data? D drive. I'll show for a moment. Family expenses, work Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. Kindly look at. Okay. Next one. So this is the data. I want to generate a report from this. How? So first, don't write anything. Just look at this. After completing this practical, if you are new to IT, open the video, and not only that, practical document also I will give you. Open and do it step by step according to the document. But all options at a time in 15 minutes you cannot remember. Just look at this and see the complex, see the mode, complex mode or normal mode of practice. So first, what to do? Data ready, component ready. Click on it. First step, click or open. My machine having normal RAM, so taking time. If your machine is having good RAM, it will open faster. And this is the page, and we call it as get started page. Many quick reference links available. But what are the reference links? I will tell you tomorrow in detail. I usually spend 15 to 20 minutes time only on this. And this is not the main window, just reference links window. Then where is the main window? Close it. This is the main window. Main interface. Color blind. Interface. Main interface. Color blind friendly interface. which means color blind people can work on easily. Color blind people can work on easily. What exactly this tool will do? Very simple. If you pass your data, routine extraction, transformation, modeling, security, visuals, BA data, everything it will do. This is extraction part, transformation part, modeling, security, visual part. So in this area, extraction, in this area, transformation, in this area, modeling, security, visualization, we do. Everyone happy? Right. Now, very nearby. The same thing if you want to do in other BA level, multiple tools required. MSBA level, if you want to do these 5 steps, 3 tools to be installed. Before MSBA, if you want to do multiple company tools, minimum 3 required. But with Power BA, not required. That's why this is called self-service BA application. What do we call it? Self-service BA application. End-to-end we are able to do. And a few options I will explain quickly, concentrate. This is quickly saving. This is undo redo. Title of the application. Account connected. Minimize, maximize, closing. And this is a menu tab. Right now, home menu, highlighted home menu tab. And this is called ribbon. Home menu, ribbon. And these are called views. First one, report view. And here is a place where we take visuals, data, concepts. And this is the area, data view or grid view, data displayed. Data displayed. And this is a model view. Relationships established. And this complete area is called report canvas area, canvas. This one. And here is a place, multiple pages we can take. First page, second page, third page, fourth page. And these are called panes. Filter pane, visualization pane, data pane, PANE pane. Filter pane, filter options. This is just high level, low level tomorrow. And visualization pane, visuals. These are all the visuals. Data pane, in this area, data available, data. As we're doing one small example, I'm explaining this. So these are the different options. And importantly, we'll get the data compulsory. We'll visualize the data compulsory. And in case shape is not good, then go to 2. Relationships you want to establish, 3. Security you want to establish, 4. Okay. Shall we continue with practical part? Yes. So what is the first step we need to do? Get data. So click on it. Excel workbook. Perfect. Where is the data? Family expenses. Just browse it. Click open. So it will show you like this. Sell the sheet, click load. So you extracted data. Now data available here. And you want to see that, then go to this. This is to see. Click on data view. Same navigations every day we use. Don't worry. So data appearing in this area, but not proper. Power BI expect column by column data. So this data required properly, which means we need to remove this first record. This record we need to remove, and this one to be column heading. So removing this, taking this as column heading, this comes under transform operation. Which operation? Transform. Data change. So to make this data proper column by column, remove this and take this as column heading. Then only you can do. And one more, if you need area analysis separate, location analysis separate, then the single column divided into two parts. Based on the two hyphens, we need to split. We need to split. So this data, you want to make it proper shape, 3 settings required. But where do we do? Go to report view. So this is the transformation area. This is extraction, second compulsory. So transformation. It is opening a separate window actually. It is opening a separate window. And this is the only extra window in Power BI. Because powerful and detailed operations possible with extraction transformation level. That's the reason they're given a separate window. Wonderful ET process we can do, extraction transformation process. The transformations more than 1,000 available. More than 1,000 transformations. That's a separate window. I will explore bigger. What to do? I said this first one we need to remove. Second one, make it as heading. Both are available in this area. Just click remove top rows. I mentioned one. First row removed. Okay. So first row removed. So this became first row. And I want this as column heading. Click on this. Use first row as headers. Done. So what I did in this area, 2 operations. Remove top row, use first row as header. In case any operation you want to cancel, again, you can go here and cancel in this area. Cancel the last steps. Undo you want to do, you can go. And one more required. Split this data into 2 parts. Area separate, location separate. Then right click, split column by delimiter. You can ask me, how do you remember, sir? Since I practice, I remember. If you practice, you can do it. Split column by delimiter. 2 hyphens. Take 2 hyphens here. Click OK. First column, second column. First column, area. Second column, location. Now, what to do? Your operation completed. So simply go to home, close and apply. Apply for just saving the changes. Close for closing, irrespective of saving. And close and apply means it will save the changes and close. Save the changes and click on it. So the window, save the changes and close. Now you want to see the data. I told you this is the way. Go to this, see the data. Perfectly available. Everyone okay? So I explained two areas. One is data extraction area, transformation. Let me check the third step required or not. Modeling in this area. A one table available. How do you control other tables? Not required. Fourth step, security in this area, modeling level. I did not give an example for security, so not required. But one thing is compulsory, visualization. Extraction, transformation, visualization I'm doing. What I want. So what I want and what I need to take here. This visual and data we need to take. And if you want to format, this is the formation. These are all the visuals. And I will show you next couple of minutes, 5-10 minutes, how to use this card visual, how to use a bar chart, how to use a map, how to filter the data, and how to create composition and comparing. This 5 I will explain. One by one you see. First one, I want my total spending. Guys, expand this and see now all the columns. These are the columns available. I want to see total spending. Just click on card. First step, card click. Second step, field area. Take the field, take amount here, from here to here. Automatically it is taking sum. So no need to write any logic. Automatically you got. So this is the total amount. Now average amount required. Take card. Why sir card? Card is for single value. Card is for single value store. Whatever it may be, but ultimately single value. Now I want amount on the card. This drag and drop. Second step, routine step. But I don't need sum on this average amount required. What to do? There's a drop down here. Please see. This is the reason people love Power BI. You can click drop down. And these are the aggregate default operations available. You can select. These you want to perform, no need to write any logic. Sum, average, count, standard deviation, variance. No code required. Just select average. It will show you average. I want max value. Click card visual. Amount you take. Not sum. Click on this max. Next, click on this card. Minimum value you want. Take amount here. Routine. Click on this min. Can you take all this? Anything complex? First, take the visual, drag and drop the field. Change the aggregation. Take the visual, drag and drop the field, change the visual. Sir, I'm not comfortable with the colors, fonts and all. That comes under formation. What do you call it? Formation. So this is the fields area. Go to next one. Highlight this. Don't go to first area. First area, columns. Second area, formation. Fixed process. And formation level 2 available. One is call out value. Second one, category label. Just go and take. Like MS Word level, PowerPoint level, however we take the same. Go to call out. What do you want? Bold I require, 30 size I require, and display unit. These are thousands, but I want normal value, none. Bold and this none. Click on it. Next category label. Bold required. 15 required. And I need border for this. In case just I took formatting settings, normal settings. And I need border. It is in the general level. 1-2 times if you practice, you remember. General level, FX, that visual having a border. Now border also you got it. These are not having borders. This is having border. I will minimize the size. Highlight and minimize. And the same color, same font required for all. Then there is something on top. What is this? Format painter. What do we call it? Format painter. Just click on this. Highlight, click on this. Again, highlight, click on this. Highlight, click on this. Now you minimize the size. All of you clear? Total, average, max, min. But I want year filtering, month filtering. Then go to filter visual slicer. Simple filter actually. There are multiple filters. I'm explaining very simple filter. Click slicer. Routine process. What is the process? First click the visual, take the column. I want a year. Date table, explore date, year. More than 300. But built-in year, you will find only 30. Built-in here and insert menu, but more than 300 visuals available. Now, I just took year here. So this is the way it will appear. And if you feel like font is small or you want to modify, there is something called focus mode. This mode, click on it, bigger. And customer has to enter starting year, ending year. Accordingly, the data will come, but I'm not feeling comfortable. Go to format area. Slicer settings. Don't take between. Take here list. Format level. In this area, slicer setting list. Now you want to format header. This is header, this is value. Header value is this. Header I will take size 20, bold. I'll take this. Value I will go this value. Bold 16, blue. But I want border. Go to general, FX, visual border on routine part. Go back. Once focus view completed, go back. Normal view. So this is the way you can arrange it. And if you select 19, 19 total, 19 average, 19 max, 19 minimum. 20, 20 total, 20 average, 20 max, 20 minimum. Changing. Slicing effect. If both select, press Control and select both. Press Control and select both. Both total. You want to clear the selection? There's a clear. Similarly, month required. Just go to this. Control C, Control V. Copy paste. Now month required. So go to this field level, remove the date, and you take month. Ready? Now if you select 20 February, 20 February only it will show you. 20 Jan data it will show you. But I don't require all the months. I don't require all the months. Only 2 months I want to show because they are important. If you want to show 2 months, click on it. Filter available. What is available? So multiple things I'm showing here. Filter available. And this is filter on the visual. In this visual level filter, just click on this. Select what are the months you want. July, August. So in this visual, July, August data we are taking. In this visual, filter July, August data. Yes, July, August only available. So 19 July data. 19 August data. Clear off. This is how we will do it. These are business values. But I want comparison. For which reason? Books I spent more money or food I spent more money, I want to see. If you want comparisons, click comparison chart, bar chart. Click bar chart. This is a bar chart. Click empty area, bar chart. Got it. I'll expand bigger. Bar chart will ask you, y-axis, what do you want to take? X-axis, what do you want to take? I want to show here reason. I want to show here amount. So you take the same. So why, sir, you're taking? I decided to go like this only. So y-axis level reason I will take. X-axis level amount I need to take. Food, travel. So focus mode you go, you can understand better. Food, travel. Food value is this. Travel value is this. Petrol value is this. And books value. These two are lowest spending and these are highest spending. Are you able to compare easily? So go back. You take just border, not compulsory, just border to give you better look. So 19 you select, 19 top spendings, food, travel and all. 20 food, travel and all. 20 July, travel more. 20 July, travel and food close to each other. And the values are this. Like this you can analyze. Top and bottom spendings. Next, and location. Each location, how much money you purchased. So you spent each location. The 2% level required. Percentage. Hyderabad location 20%, Visakhapatnam location 30%, like this. Then take a pie chart. Click pie chart. Legend level I will take location. Value level I will take amount. So click on this. Hyderabad 40% money. Visakhapatnam 40%. Vijayawada 15%. Siddipet 1.74%. And go to this format, just general, effect border. Very simple, just click on it. Take the columns here, location, amount. Shall I? Last one, and we'll close in 2 minutes. I want to see the locations where I traveled. Click on map. This is a map visual. Location area, take location. Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Hyderabad pointing. Explore bigger. Visakhapatnam location, Vijayawada location. These are all I traveled. But I want to see the business value. Come down. There is something called size. Take amount. Now wherever I spend more money, bigger bubble. Here and here more money, so bigger bubble. And here, less medium money, medium bubble. Less money, less bubble. Less money spent. Go back. I will take border. So if you select 19, 19 total, 19 average, 19 max, 19 minimum. 19 reasons comparison, 19 locations percentage spending, 19 locations and values. Auto zoom is there, or else you can take zoom buttons here. The visual formation level zoom buttons available. You can take zoom buttons also. So zoom in, zoom out. So 90, whatever you select accordingly, it will show you. Got clarity? And this is called a report view. And Power BI level, one more beautiful thing I want to tell you, not only selecting this and to see, even if you click on this area, relevant area information everywhere it will show you. If you click on this, relevant information area everywhere it will show you. This is called cross filtering. What do you call it? Cross filtering, cross alerting. No need to go to this always. Even you click on anywhere, you will see like that. Cross filtering. So in this application, I explain how to bring the data, how to transform the data, how to visualize the data. But customer ultimately require this part only. He does not bother about these menu bars and all, and he does not require. How do you provide only this to customer? So first you need to save this. File menu, save. And this is documents, save it. Vinay at Power BI, second demo, report 07 11 2023. Click save. But if you notice, what is the extension? File menu, save as PBX. Because Word documents, how do we save? .docx. Excel documents, how do we see it? .xlsx. Power BI documents, how do you save it? PBX. It's a document, not report. Why, sir, you are calling as a document, and Microsoft also calling document? Because extraction, transformation, modeling, many concepts you are doing. So this is a document. Now, in this document, this is called report area. Which area? Report. And we need to share this to customer. How do you share? In that situation, you require cloud or you require server. So keep this report in the cloud and share, or keep the report in the server and share. Without this, not possible. So report creation is free. But if you want to share to customer, then cloud or server required. Got clarity? Right. Then how do we create cloud? How do we create server? I will tell you in the regular classes. So I thought of showing one report creation I successfully completed. And multiple visuals I used, multiple concepts I explained. Filters, slices, and multiple. And you try this example, I will provide you the data. And conclusion, as I said, you will get all these things. Live class video, resumes, theory, practical material, and WhatsApp group, all the facilities from the institution side. And the training is for 2 months. Daily 1 hour is a class. In case you're looking for fast track way, call me on my number, I will guide you. And there are 2 demo classes. First demo 20 minutes, what we provide, I explain. Second, in the same day, data to fabric explanation. Today is a second demo, where first I explain 10 minutes recap of the first demo, and next 15 minutes practical part. And from tomorrow, regular classes at 6 p.m. I have multiple batches, but current batch is 6 p.m. And this is my objective. Detailed subject providing with good real-time, interview-oriented concepts, priority and discussion, and exam preparation support. And if you're really looking for detailed subject of Power BI with maximum knowledge, definitely I'm one of the trainer. Confidently, you can join. No doubt in that. And if you want to see what students say about me, wait for a moment and then we close. How students believe us, they continue with us. I'll show you for a moment and then close. So who all not provided email address and mobile number, kindly provide to get both the demo videos and documents. This is one more time request. I am also providing my contact number for your queries, discussions, guidance, etc. This is my contact number. See, this is the way. So thank you, sir. This was recently Friday. Thank you, sir. I'll never forget your institute. It gave me proper roadmap to settle in career. Always I have gratitude towards you, sir. Take anyone. Emphasis lo job వచ్చింది fine. Ankit also. And I will take better comments. Even couple of people, when they're not satisfied by joining a particular course in our institute, also they're mentioning like this. Just for a minute. Nowadays, it is really difficult to identify which one is fake review, which one is genuine review. Yes. See, guys, this guy joined for one of our core institute course. And he written blah, blah, blah. Finally, he mentioned, Vinay sir, you are the best trainer, complete material, proper explanation, project details, interview questions, resume. This is the reason I have joined your institute. Same expert from so-and-so trainer, but I'm not happy, sir. It happens. So like this, sir. So maximum, whatever the best I can provide, I will do it for you. And rest your wish. Just in your hands, you need to utilize properly. But the next 60 hours, I'll explain from basics to advanced level systematically. And however, I'm providing for every batch, the same way I will provide materials and all for you. This is the last 6 p.m. batch. However, I given every day video material and all the same way I will give you. That's all, guys, from my side for today.